I've seen quite a few different approaches. And so I might say, first, having representation within the organization that's, not only a champion, but a champion with influence and authority to drive change.
Hmm.
And typically, that can be like a sustainability C-suite or leader, but I think is preferably, somebody in the C-suite that's, whether that's CEO or CFO is really bought in, because at the end of the day, these are financial decisions that are going to require those stakeholders. And so if organizations really want to make progress, I think, having a clear vision and a clear plan at the C-suite level is where it starts. And then I think the second thing too is sometimes you see folks try to go really fast, right? You say, look,
Yep.
there's this big, audacious, every site in my portfolio. And we like to encourage, and sometimes that might be the right answer, but if you haven't worked out all the dynamics in a complex, big organization, slow down to go fast. And so not so much, so difficult to go get a pilot going, to get 2 or 3 sites going on the vision, learn from it, a bit of a Kaizen approach, and then come back smarter, more efficient, with sharper strategies to deploy in more of a programmatic approach. So, yeah, those 2 things, the executive buy-in, really understanding how big of a program that you want to deploy on the outset. And then I think the companies that are scaling the fastest do have some kind of dedicated teams to help administer the project management.
Hmm.
And so, like, companies from the outside need help navigating companies on the inside. And so to the extent there's project managers or leaders that can help drive these initiatives on the inside of those organizations, it goes a long way.